So now let's see how we can utilize mesh wrap effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I want to apply the mesh wrap effect to it, I need to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around onto distort. And over here you can see that mesh wrap is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and utilize this mesh right here. So utilize these dots right here, and as you drag, you can see that that point right here becomes distorted right here. So you can drag in these dots, as you can see right here, to get the mesh wrap as you like this. You can go ahead and change around the grid size as well, just like this, to get more detailed like this as well. So you can go around and click and drag this right here, just like this, and then that is how you can go ahead with the mesh wrap right here, just by clicking and dragging it out right there. So that is how you can utilize the mesh wrap effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.